the Angelican College Parents Recollection, and there's a preparation.
Seniors, if you still have the number of your parents, why don't you text them and ask them to come? Because this is a rare opportunity for you to have a recollection together with your parents.
Ano?
Pwede pang bumabol.
Parents of the seniors.
Walang malayo sa mataas. Bukas na yun. Father, saan papublish yan?
Para sa YouTube po yun.
Talaga?
Ayan.
Ayan, nalalasan na ng mga parents.
Next mo na si mami mo?